I'm at the Haneda XL Hotel Tokyo here at the Haneda Airport Terminal 2 in Tokyo, Japan. And this is a double room 6131. Like a king bed, but for two people. I wasn't brave enough to. They do have single rooms as well, but those might be like super tiny here in Japan. So went for the double room. We went to it just myself. Um, these Japanese toilets are very space efficient, but I do love that they have always a proper toilet washlet. You could call them an ass washer if you want, or bidet, whatever you want. Here they do have some amenities as well. Not sure, actually, they have a dental kit, shaving kit. That's nice because quite often these hotels don't have. And here we have a bathtub shower combo. Not my favorite, I would rather have a stand-in shower. And I do love the fact, see, this is how it should be done, that you properly display the towels with hotel's name, even the smaller ones, and let me turn around, and even the hand ones. You need to pay proper attention to the detail. And here we of course have slippers. So this is the closet, in-room safe that I don't think that you really do need to use in Japan. There's an ironing board. I'm sure there's iron somewhere else as well. TV, and they do have a USB port thing, like 6 ports, so you can definitely charge all your equipment, like my 3 phones, a couple of water bottles. Minibar is empty, but they do have some tea and coffee available here. That's a humidifier, I guess. We have a small desk, and of course here's the most important part, which is the bed. And I do love the lights there on the back, and of course you have some ports over there and a simple phone. And there's not really reason to open that shade because there's a parking hole on the other side. But this is extremely convenient if you're leaving from Haneda Airport Domestic Terminal number 2, which is mainly used by ANA, because you just walk into the departure hall from this hotel. It's a little bit more inconvenient for me because I'm actually flying out with Shell tomorrow, which is actually Terminal 1. So even though it's not far away, I think that I do need to take a shuttle bus. I did arrive today to the international terminal, and there's a hotel there as well that I could have stayed at. But yeah, this is fine. You don't always need to stay at the internationally branded hotel. These domestic Japanese hotel trains are always squeaky clean. They're not always the most modern, but everything does work. So again, this is the Haneda XL Hotel Tokyo. Tokyo. Okay, probably completely mispronounced that. Here at the Haneda International Airport Domestic Terminal 2. This was the double king room 6131.